As a traveling Yaadman, you don't know so me for bring the Jamaican flag anywhere where me go. Even if it's on top of a volcano. They must be wondering, what am I doing on a volcano? Well, yo, all gone everybody don't know say Yaadman, and welcome to the first video upload on my YouTube channel for 2024. Happy New Year. We're still saying Happy New Year. Point is, this year we can look forward to more vibes, more rhymes, more comments, more content. Things definitely are gonna be better than the last, and I'm probably going to start a podcast. So looking at people, I am fresh off the boat. Wow, I can actually say fresh off the boat because I actually was on a boat. But I am fresh off the plane because I am back from SVG. I am back from Vincent and The Grenadines, and honestly, SVG has just been a gift that kept on giving back to me. One of the things, the experience that I feel like I will definitely carry for the rest of my life, I hiked a volcano. An active volcano. A volcano that last erupted in 2021. I vlogged some of the experience, and I just want to say, yo, big up Tolga, big up Adam, big up Bass, big up Uncle Paul. Uncle Paul is a wonderful tour guide if you guys ever decide to go to St. Vincent. And if you're one of those people where you're fit and you're active and you like hiking, make sure you go hike up La Soufrie. Trust me, that is an experience that you'll never forget. It's kind of surreal.
Yeah, you ready? Yeah. So, we are at La Soufrie volcano. Ethan is about to hike an active volcano that erupted in 2021.
Yo, that's crazy because to me, this is like, I've never climbed Blue Mountain before in Jamaica. If I come to St. Vincent, I'm gonna climb on a volcano before I climb my own mountains. But it's kind of surreal to me because I remember shooting awareness video in my room, I think around 2021 actually.
Yeah.
Just to raise awareness for what happened here. So
yeah,
it's kind of surreal actually going up there now. So yesterday I made a video regarding the volcanic eruption that took place in St. Vincent. These images here is just some of the aftermath of that volcanic eruption. This isn't snow. This is ash. Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go.
20,000 displaced citizens, but St. Vincent recovered.
See there? That is it. That is it.
Yeah, we always have people after we're there.
Yeah, I'm hoping to go this year. I have a friend who lives in Corsica. Yeah. And she's like, come, we'll just drive all over.
What's one thing you're probably looking forward to?
Out here?
Yeah, I know. I have family in Vienna and I still have a lot of family.
I don't know if the mountain, is that what you call it? The middle of the volcano? Is that what you call it? The dome, yeah. I don't know, I'm not used to volcano geology, but I know probably it's going to be cloudy up there, but I would like to at least get some kind of visual of what inside the volcano look like. You know, I also want to breathe the air and like really just get an idea of what the place smells like. I feel like certain things in nature just have this way of really humbling humanity. You know what I mean? Like, this is an active volcano which just erupted 3 years ago, so kind of put things in perspective. If that makes sense. That makes sense? I think that makes sense.
How are you feeling so far?
I feel good. I'm definitely a lot more fit than Etan. 100%.
I'm good. I want to put a double knot in those laces. So
I'm good.
Yeah.
Am I saying you fitter than you?
I mean, sorry, me never go Olympics. I do need to pee. 1 sec.
Yeah.
I brought about a world famous botanist up here last year. She said it's a
Eats, okay. You got a shot?
Oh, I never felt like I was dedicated. You probably didn't eat enough. Now that you tell me, I'll have to have the whole bowl. Yeah, we used to eat it a lot. The leaves and flowers.
Despite the racial stereotypes, I'm actually bigger than Ethan.
You mean bigger in our age? You forget who was editing this video, Tolga.
Alright, I feel much better now. Ready for the road now. SVG, you have been so good to me. You see, as a Jamaican, as a man from the Caribbean, who is unapologetically West Indian, I just want to say big up Soul Carnival by Soca. This clothes designer out of St. Vincent, she knows exactly what she's doing to represent the Caribbean in all of our pieces. So guys, make sure you give her a follow up on Instagram, and please make sure that you support this brand so you can get your clothes for your carnival needs. Alright? Oh. It's very humid up here.
Come and think about it, Granddad.
Caribbean sun, even though we're not in a sun. Blessings. It.
What year were you born?
Someone knocked on my house. Oh, wait.
Roughly from here, a wrap around the north of the equator.
Making sure that these cold water bottles aren't creating too much condensation.
This boulder here was here in August. Oh, this. And that was there. I came here with the head of the World Food Program, the lady, and we couldn't pass there.
Oh wow.
Here it had water about this high going by. And then I came back, that was like a Monday, and I came back the Thursday, and I said, something's wrong, because normally you used to be able to walk straight through. I got in and turned around and I did this. Normally how these boulders move is that the sand gets eroded underneath them and then they start to tumble. To shove this up on top of this.
That is crazy. That's
So it must have been like this high when we left that day.
I should call her.
Crazy.
Jenna.
Rock, paper, scissors, who goes across first?
I'll do it.
Come.
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot.
I did that last September. And last year was so hot. I died in there fully clothed.
Practice carry music.
I don't know which one is enough.
Ethan, how you feeling, bro? Good choice on the sweatpants? You look good.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm kinda tired. But can't stop. Need some electrolytes.
Different flavors.
Yo, I really should not have worn the joggers, but I'll just let it go sometime.
I'm absolutely fine. So, this is a national legend known as Lava Man. He, when the volcano was erupting, he was the one to first report, "Oh God, run!" And then he became a national news anchor all about the volcano. Biggest IG account during the eruption.
That's called Table Rock.
Yeah.
The name, I believe, originates from like Table Mountain in South Africa. It's flat on the top. Bumpy thing up there through the clouds, that's the top right there.
Okay. I'm not lie. I'm tired. But I feel like it's about to be worth it. So I would like to thank this video sponsor, Asteria Mass Band. Make sure that you catch us May 25th for Atlanta Carnival. Me need to tell you about some of the artists who are going to be on this. Me I talk about Pumper. Girl, if your name end with a bend right over. Problem Child. Holiday, today's a holiday. I don't care. Me call Tesha, the Trinidad Carnival Road March champion. No place like home. 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 It's going to be vibes May 25th out on the road. But look here, I have something to tell you, and I want you guys to listen to me carefully. Yaadman is an ambassador for Asteria Mass Band, and I just want to show you guys the costumes that are going to be available for our masqueraders. And you see, as an ambassador, I might have a promo code so you guys can get a discount. Make sure, so when you sign up for Asteria Mass Band, that you use the promo code Yaadman50. Make sure that you hit the link in the description below and join us out on the road May 25th, because we're going to go on bad. And we're going to celebrate Caribbean freedom. Alright? Big up on yourself every time, Asteria Mass Band. Oh.
Imagine 2 extra Caribbean creatives, a Vincentian and a Jamaican, who are working on a Jamaican anime project, are on top of a volcano. Of course, we're going to change our shoes and put on samurai shoes and a pair of clocks to take videos and pictures. Can't believe this man really coming up with some clocks on top of a volcano. Samurai shoes. Samurai getters. What's dry over here?
Look, the cameraman is slipping because he doesn't have on the clocks for the getter shoes.
See that? I've used my toothbrush and get out the dust as you see this volcanic ash.
I just need water on my wood. Wait. This is the wood. Photos, video.
As a traveling yard man, you don't know so me have to bring the Jamaican flag anywhere where me go. Even if it's on top of a volcano.
I like them a shake. My legs are shaking.
So a pair of shoes for you.
Yeah, you see me, like, yeah.
Are you recording all now?
Yeah, it was an adventure.
So I fasted going up, and now I broke my fast with a beer and some nuts. Oh no, I broke my fast with a plant that Mr. Paul Cyrus said was safe to eat.
Wow. Almost like.
If I'm not here from now on,
Yes.
yeah.
That
Paul
good,
Cyrus.
that good leaf kind of tastes like something you can put in our salad for real. Yeah, yes.
It's really
delicious. I must say.
Yeah, it's like a mustard leaf.
I like sour flavors, you know, so it didn't even bother me.
It's like a mustard leaf.
But cheers.
Cheers, man. That was nice.
So much. That was nice.
No,
No man, thank
Day
you.
three.
No, that was a day 3.
Yeah, already.
That was an experience. I climbed one volcano before I climbed one mountain range. I'm gonna get a look inside and oh god, that was something. That was something. Not telling them. Much could have bought no split up there, but you know the things are tired. I never bring my weed. So,
Burnt it back with though.
yeah, you're right. You're right.
My soul always burning.
Constantly on fire.
Yeah, never stop smoking.
I'll never forget this. This will be a core memory for the rest of my life. I must say. How many people get to look into a volcano? You know?
Very few.
Yeah. So, big up on yourself every time. Big up cameraman Sebastian. Big up Adam.
Respect.
Big up Tolga every time. Big up Mr. Paul. Hello. Beer vibes. Beer vibes. Beer vibes. This was my very first time in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and I was able to do things that I have never done before. I was able to explore a Caribbean country that reminds me so much of Jamaica, but at the same time is so much different. I just want to thank all of my Vincentian viewers, old and new to my platforms. You have truly welcomed me to your country. I felt loved, and I love you all. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. Thank you so much for the recommendations. And hopefully, I will be back very soon. Say you don't know, say Yaadman, and looking at people, forward ever, backward never. I'm out.